Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a different panel sizes double sash to as dynamic block. This is another method. Okay, let's see. Go mirror, enter, select object, enter, mirror line, click here, enter. Okay, now go rotate arrow, enter, select object, enter, base point, okay, angle 90, enter. Okay, now go arc A, enter, select center point, start point, angle 90, click here. Okay, select arc line, go layers, select door, current, make current. Okay, delete door sash, go mirror, enter, select object, enter, mirror line, click here, enter. Okay, go distance, enter, wall depth distance, current 225, door width distance 1200. Okay, now go rectangle, enter, first corner point, other corner point, click here, select rectangle, click here, stretch 10 milli, enter, stretch 10 milli, enter. Okay, now go wipe out, select polyline, select rectangle, select yes. Okay, now select wipe out frame, change layer, wipe out. Okay, go draw order, enter, send to back, click here. Okay, now go block B, enter, block name DS D3, select object, enter, pick point, click here, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, now go parameters, base point, click here, parameter linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, first click here, second click here, enter, repeat linear, first click here, second click here. Okay, now select parameters, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, exit, select distance 1 parameter, go properties, rename, wall depth, enter, select distance 2 parameter, go properties, rename, door width, enter. Okay, select distance 4 parameter, go properties, chain action, yes. Okay, now go actions, scale, select distance 3, select object, go, select, enter, go scale, select distance 4 parameter, select arc line, enter. Okay, now go action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select Sash, rectangle, select, enter, select stretch, go properties, angle 90, enter, OK, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select Sash, rectangle, select, enter, select stretch 1, go properties, angle 270, enter, OK, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, select distance for parameter, OK, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, select stretch 3, go properties, angle 90, enter, OK. Now go line, L, enter, press shift key and right click, mid between 2 points, select, click here, OK, again press shift key and right click, mid between 2 points, click here, OK, enter, select line, go construction, convert, select, OK, go parameters, alignment, click here, OK, go parameter, flip, click center, click here, OK, action, more, select parameter, parameter point, select this arc, enter, action, stretch, select wall depth parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, select, enter, action, more, select parameter, parameter point, select alignment parameter, flip parameter, enter, select move 1, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, OK, action, more, select wall depth parameter, parameter point, select object, select distance 3, distance 4, select flip parameter, select frame, enter. Now go more 2, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, OK, action, flip, select flip parameter, enter, type all, enter, OK. Now save block, close block editor, OK. Let's see, select block, reset block, OK. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.